I was very precise on this very trading setup, and you can see right here that we are currently in profit. So the essence of all these videos is to show you that it's really possible that you can do it if you actually have the right approach and the right system. So if you find interested in content like this is what we do every single day. Right here we trade and we teach you how we took our trade. See how beautiful this price is going in the direction of our trade. All right here we also have now a few seconds for this trade to finish, and at the end of the trade I'll be explaining in detail the exact reasons why I took this trade. So if you find interesting content like this, go ahead and smash the like button. Also do it to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live binary options operations. So we have less than 5 seconds now. We have 4, 3, 2, 1, and guys, you can see right here it's a beautiful win in our favor, guys. Now let me quickly show you something. All right, now see where we took our trade. This very candle right here, I'll try to shrink the price. This is exactly where I took my trade. You can see also that on this level price we are trying to break below, but it failed. All right, but why did I continue to take my trade even after price we are having difficulties in breaking below? All of these will be explained very shortly. Okay, so let me quickly walk you through some of the things I saw that has made me to prepare to enter this very beautiful trade. The first thing I look out for was the trend. Okay, the trend on this scope is an uptrend because we're having series of higher lows and higher highs. Okay, so we can draw a trend line to show you that. All right, so this now is looking like an uptrend because you can see now that all of these lows are higher than the previous, and also we also have higher highs as well, which means that the price we are creating also higher highs one after the other. So this right here, the price we are moving in this very channel. Good. The second thing I look out for is the volume of the candles. You can see now that the candles look very healthy, and this means that there is participating, there are traders currently trading the financial market, so we want to be part of that. The essence of why we look out for pressure or volume is because we want price to move very quickly if we eventually take our trade. Okay, so that's what we look out for. So that's why we're always looking for pressure, because we want price to move very quickly. All right, that's also is one of the things we also look out for. Now let me move forward to something else. Okay, now look, we took our trade right here on this very level. Is where most traders would freak out. Okay, this very candle, this is where most traders would freak out and they would not enter a trade. The reason why it's so is very simple, is because they have no trust in their strategy. If you have trust in your strategy, I guarantee you that you will enter your trade when everything plays out. This is why it is important for you to practice, build a strategy that you can trust, and start practicing and become profitable in the game. If you don't have any strategy, you don't have any system, you are currently trading, we have a lot of videos right here on the channel you can watch and learn and practice. And I bet you that if you can take 30 trades and document every single thing about those trades and document your emotions and go out again to analyzing how they performed in all of those trades, you will eventually find a pattern that works. Okay, we also give away all our signals every single day. If you're interested in that, join us. The link is pinned below in the comment section. Let us trade and make money together. You don't need any trading knowledge whatsoever. Anybody without the trading knowledge can profit using our signals. If you also want to be a part of our mentorship program, you can join us. The link is also below in the comment section. Let us show you how we did it so you can scale pretty faster. Okay, so more important than the win is the why. What was the reason I took this trade? Let me quickly walk you through that briefly. Okay, now remember we're talking about the channel. This right here is the uptrend channel. Price, we are moving strongly in the upside, and on this level you can see that price broke below. So this is now looking like a structure that has broken, because now this trend is now an invalid trend, which means that the sellers are eventually powerful and they want the price to move in direction of the sellers. So This is how we know that the structure has broken. If you're having a strong uptrend like this and we have a trend line and all of a sudden the trend breaks, that is where we know that this trend has changed. With this confirmation, we can trust that the sellers are now strong and we should be trading in direction of the sellers. So that's all we have to see. Okay, so with our prediction, it was correct because now price pulled down strongly in direction of the sellers, and of course this new low was created, and on this level we saw that price starts to move again in the upside, which is a valid retracement. Okay, you can see that the sellers the buyers stepped in again and moved the price a little bit upward. That right there is a structure of this right there is a healthy structure, because you don't want price to move like this just the way the price is moving now. If price is moving like this consistently, that is not the market you should trade. You need buyers to also step in the sellers market to show that there is a little bit of a balance. So right here you see that this slide right here is the period where the buyer stepped in and we started to see series of higher lows. So what we do after recognizing this minor uptrend is to draw a trend line on the support level. So that's what we did right here. And the next we want to wait for is a breakout of that trend line. And when we find that breakout, we have to take our trade immediately. So you can see that the breakout happened on this very candle, and I immediately took my trade, and you can see that the sellers pushed the price fast and we ended up winning this very beautiful trade. Okay, so this is everything about this live operation. We hope you've learned something and you can apply. All right, if you find interest in this or you find any value, go ahead and smash the like button. Also make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live operations that will be coming up in the future. I'll see you guys again. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.